Hello, I'm Nicoll of Faye's Quilt and Embroidery Studio, www.fayesquiltstudio.com, 954-971-4810. I am so thrilled and excited to be presenting to you my newest creation called the Versatile Ruler. It is packaged with the instructions right on the back, so don't throw this out, and it is a wonderful, wonderful ruler. What does it do? Well, it creates a braid. You create the braid, make it from 1.5 inches all the way to 12 inches wide. And the length, obviously, is whatever you want it to be. The ruler is 5 by 10. You can cut a layer cake in half. You can do a charm pack, which is 5-inch squares. The ruler has 1-inch markings horizontally and vertically, as well as 1/2-inch markings horizontally and vertically. So it's extremely, extremely versatile, as we say. Here is a quilt made with the ruler, and this braid is about 3 inches wide, and it uses 1.5-inch strips. This braid is approximately 6 inches wide and uses 3-inch strips, all with this ruler. Let me show you some other things that we've made with the ruler, and we have patterns all ready to go. We have kits all ready to go, so you don't have to think about what am I going to make with this and how am I going to do it. The patterns have all the instructions you need. This is the double braid tote, and this is actually made out of one piece of fabric, believe it or not. This is the braided accent tote, wonderful for Florida. This is the two-tone tote, made totally differently using the ruler. This is the ruffled braid tote. This is the pocket placemat. As you can see, we've got our silverware in there, ready to eat, ready to dine. And this is the center braid pillow. And I'm going to show you some other things that we just did. Right here we did some beautiful table runners. This is with my Judaica fabric and the fairy frost. That's the double braid table runner. This is called the Onpoint table runner using my Dove of Peace fabric. And we just did it with Christmas fabric. I haven't had a chance to bind it, but they're little Christmas trees, and they're actually circuitry boards, so they're just absolutely charming. So check out the website, fayesquiltstudio.com. Happy quilting, happy sewing. Thank you. We'll see you on YouTube very shortly with more patterns and kits and lessons. Thank you.